here. Hello guys, how are you today? How do we replace caliper? Is hard to replace by own self, or you need to take to a mechanical shop? No, it's simple. So that's caliper I bought online. This because when I replace caliper, I need to replace rotor and pads. So stay with me, step by step. We replace caliper from this car. So I'll put this jack for safety. That's for safety purpose. Remove fire. So now I remove this bolt. So now I come down to down one. So I will use spanner 14. Seems easy. So it's not hard. I will open this. So 12. See it? Let me clean it. It's there. So now we can remove caliper. See, it's not hard. Yeah. Now I will remove brake wire. How to do that is not hard. Just see, can do that. No. It's not hard. See. Then I will remove this spring. So now easily I can remove. So now I remove it. We will remove this part also. So we need 14 ratchets. There's another 2 bolt. We should remove it to remove this one. You see there's another one down here. See this one, this two is 14. And when I remove this one, I can remove rotor after I open this 2 screw. So rotor is not hard. Here's 1 bolt. Now it's finished. This one is finished. I will try to clean now this wheel bearing. So if you have Bosch like this at work, you will try to remove at least some rust. Start with new rotor. You see this new one. See place of bolt, so we should put this one to there like this. So now I will return this bolt to its place. Okay, so now rotor is finished. So now time to put base. I need to remove this one. It's not hard. This part. It's not hard, so I need to go like this to open it. Easy. Now this part also. So I will put this into its place. Now see. this. Nope. So it like this. Yeah. See it? Oh, another one. This one also. Okay. Yep. So now our return this part to its place. Now this is my old bolt. First I should clean here. Now it's clean. So what I will do, I will put, let's first start from bottom one. Any spanner or Rotors. Try to put brake wire. It's easy. I use spanner to rotate this one. When I rotate, so this one going down. That will make your job easy to put. Oh, this hand. No, see? I will do. Now just I will try. Let me put my foot. Here we go. Now brake is finished. You know what I'll now put? Ring. The ring. It's easy. It's not hard. So just I will return this place. But before, what I need to do, I need to put. First, I need to put new pad. Then. Just going to other side. See, one. Now this one. It's not hard. Turn or caliper to its place. This is not hard. Yeah. Just that for ball. That's one of them. And we put second one.
Gotta move that. Move it to over, yeah. No, it was pre-locked. I swear. I would never.
13 I cannot, tight because I need extension or spanner 12, 14. That's easy. It's not hard. I need to return, brake oil pipe. So I have to simply one of them. Remove this one. See? So one of this washer should be going to down to here. Oh, it's same size. And it should be here. Another one will put into bolt. See, this was going to this hole. Then, now I need to tighten this one. This one is to get, it needs to get 10. Oh, not need. Maybe 11, maybe 12. Yeah, because when I record the game. Oh, it's just. Charger.